All right, so what's a graph of a log look like? Well, the graph passes through the point 1, 0, so we get that point automatically. And so the log of 1 is equal to 0 because remember, 10 to the 0, that's going to be 1. All right. Now the graph of a common log increases very slowly for large values of x. So log of 100 is only 2, log of 1,000 is 3, log of 10,000 is 4, and so on. And so really, the initial part here is really where all the changes are taking place, but they're not taking place super fast. And so we can plot some points, and our log looks something like that. Again, going through that point 1, 0. Now, when it's between 0 and 1, the log output is a negative value. So this is going to be negative down here. And when it's x is close to 0, it's approaching what? Well, it's going down and down. It's going to get close to negative infinity because remember, we can never be equal to the 0 because that's not going to work. And we also can't be negative. So it's never where did my pen go here? It's never going to be on this side unless you have some kind of a translation. So, kind of translations from last chapter, it might go over there, but you have a translation to put in there. All right, so now we want to graph each function and compare it to the graph of the log of x. Well, remember, this is our original log. So if we have log of x minus 3, what's that going to do? Well, that's going to move it right 3 spaces, right? So what we have is, instead of having it here, we're going to put it over 3 spaces. So that dotted line is where it cannot get to. So it's getting close to that line. And so really, when it's over here, we really have that dotted line here, and it's coming up through here and then going up and then kind of going like that. And I'm not a good drawer, but that's what it looks like. And so that's what it's going to look like here. We just moved over 3 spaces. Uh, 1, 2, 3. That 1 becomes a 4, and everything else kind of just shifts over. Now, what's this one doing? Well, it looks like it's just moving it up 2 spaces. So what we do is we just take that 1, and instead of being 1, 0, it's going to be now 1, 2. But everything else looks the same and same shapes and stuff like that. We just moved it up. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.